We just told Ripley we'd play in his pool and he'd get a bath later when he got up and started intently pacing. We call this his thinking circle. This is really common with animals using buttons.
Tell me, what's up? Tell me with your words, John.
Beach.
Bud. Beach rubs? Beach rubs?
Well, earlier today, I was looking at his arms.
Hang with me.
Yeah, he told me I was going to give him a bath. Yes, and we always give him a bath after the beach. Is that what you're talking about? Are you talking about a bath? Do you mean a bath?
Beach rubs.
Beach.
Bud. Hit your bone.
Hey, Bobby. Well, they should bone. You don't have to chew that. Thank you. Thank you. Look, your bone's right here.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
It's kind of dreary outside, and the humans are just starting to wake up when Ripley has a strange request.
Butt rub?
You want rubs?
What's a butt rub, he said?
Grandma.
Did you just press Grandma?
Uh-huh.
You can't see Grandma right now. But we can text her and tell her that you want to see her.
Grandma.
I'm stunned right now.
Story time. Yesterday we were all on a walk at the gardens and we saw a dog attack. We saw a man get bit in the arm and there was a huge commotion after. We obviously talked about it amongst us as we got home. And then later that night, Ripley pressed this.
Hornets. Ouch. Medicine.
Dad realizes what Ripley is saying and whispers to Mom.
Yeah. I know exactly what I'm freaking out right now. Yes, at the gardens before, the human was mad because he needed medicine for his arm. The dog bit him. Before, baby. That happened before.
That happened before at the gardens.
I'm stunned right now.
What else could that be about? The guy had to go to the hospital. Like, my neck is hurting because I whipped my neck around so fast.
Let me give you a little more context. When this happened, we were standing on a bridge over a little man-made pond, right next to the fence where across the street this all happened in a front yard.
Stress. Ouch. Medicine. Front yard.
What do you think? Is he talking about what we all saw? Comment below.
What does my dog really want? Mom asked Ripley where he'd like to go on a walk.
Ripley.
Walk? Where?
Where walk,
Happy.
You're happy? I'm glad you're happy, buddy. I'm glad you're happy. Where would you like to go for a walk? Right there? Good choice. That makes Daddy happy.
What's your take? Do you think Ripley was A, saying that walks make him happy, B, saying that he was happy staying home, or C, saying nothing? Comment below. The humans are just beginning to settle for the night, and Ripley takes notice.
Tired?
Yes, tired. Very tired. But I'm glad you had fun. I'm glad you had fun. Hey.
Wormy?
I'll get your wormy.
In an attempt to start a game of chase, Ripley steals the wormy button. About a minute goes by.
Human?
I'm tired. You know I'm tired.
Mad.
Why not, baby? Why not?
Chase?
You're mad because no one will play chase?
Chase? Later? Chase? Later?
Play chase later. I promise.
Later.
We'll play chase later.
Yeah.
Good now. Good. for
Yeah.
us.
Chase?
Ripley, we'll chase later, okay?
Sorry?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Russell?
Bye-bye.
Ripley?
Hey.
Mom is on the couch and Dad is in the kitchen. Ripley's just being Ripley.
You sat on your board.
Ripley?
Hey. Hey.
Ripley, on the spot. Ripley. You're hot.
So this is what Ripley sat on. Do you think he was referring to them as frisbees? Share this if you think Ripley's a genius.
Ripley? Daddy? Brothers?
Ripley left his bone unattended and Stanley's really interested in it. Stanley can't seem to resist. Ripley looms in the background. After chasing Stanley away, Ripley says this.
Ripley? Daddy? Brothers? Daddy? Brothers?
What about us? You called everybody out. Now what?
Was Ripley tattling on his brother for messing with his bone? Comment below.
Nice try!
Dad? Basketball?
Okay, come on, play basketball. Get the ball. If this doesn't explain life with Ripley, I don't know what does. Yep, that's what we're doing. Nice try! Good job.
Puzzle?
It's almost 10:30 a.m. and Ripley has something to say.
Puzzle?
Mom checks the Fluent Pet app.
You want a puzzle? Or are you puzzled?
The humans continue to ponder what Ripley means by puzzle when he decides to clarify. A minute later.
Food?
You want a food puzzle?
Good boy!
Genius.
The humans are on the couch playing Mario Kart. Ripley is behind the couch over by his buttons.
Ripley, I need you to come over here and lay down for a little bit. We're gonna lay down and flop.
Puzzle?
We're playing our puzzles, yes. We're gonna play puzzles now, yes. Hey.
Paw,
With our paws, yes. We're playing puzzles with our paws.
paw,
That's pretty much what's going on. Paw puzzles, yeah. Okay, paw puzzles. Fucking genius. We're playing paw puzzles right now, yeah.
Do you think Ripley was calling video games paw puzzles? Comment below.